On this episode of the Everyman Driver Car Show, maintenance tips that you should do every month, 3 months, and 6 months. Let's get started. Here's what your monthly checklist should include. Oil level. Obviously add if it's low and check for any leaks. Number 2, hoses. Replace if you see any bulging, rotten, or brittle hoses. Number 3, belts. Replace if worn, frayed, or glazed. Tire pressure, always add if it's too low. Coolant or antifreeze, add if it's low, and then also check for leaks. Air filter, replace if dirty. This is a monthly check. And of course, inspect your tires for damage, bulges, or uneven wear. Now, when it comes to your 3-month check, oil and oil filter, obviously, every 3,000 miles. Some cars are going up to 5,000 miles, whatever is recommended by the manufacturer. Windshield washer fluid, depends on where you live and how often you use it. It could be low. Power steering fluid, check it. If it's low, add some. Transmission fluid, obviously, battery terminals and cables, clean if corroded. This is a 3-month check. And check out your lights as well. Ensure that all lights and turn signals are working. Sometimes we don't see them in the back. The light could be out, and no one knows when you're making a left or right turn. Your 6-month check should include wiper blades. They could be brittle or they're smearing, not working too well. It's a really easy replacement to do and pretty cost effective. Horn. When's the last time you honked your horn? Test it to make sure it works every 6 months. Brakes, you should know by now if your brakes are working, but there are some things that'll having inspection for that. There's unusual wear and tear if the car pulls, if you're pushing the pedal too far down, or if it's a hard pedal. Those are some indications that your brakes might need to be replaced. Spare tire, make sure that it's fully inflated. Check if you even have one. Could be under your car, could be under the back in the trunk. Exhaust system, inspect for rust, damage, or loose parts. And then finally, every 6 months, look at your shocks, inspect for oil seepage or wear. And that's a breakdown for car maintenance on a monthly, 3 months, and 6-month basis. Those are your car tips of the day. Thanks for watching. Adios.